which can deliver value for both our clients as well as the development of the Nigerian economy. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank Uche and his team from the NSIA for all your assistance in bringing us to this point, and also Duncan and Erwin and the UFFM team, as well as Peter Levette and the property team for their significant efforts in breaking ground to establish this venture. From OMIG, also a big thank you to Hull George, as well as our colleagues on the ground in West Africa. And we have Marunke with us, as well as Zom, and they have played a pivotal role in coordinating our growth initiatives within the Western African sector. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. I'll welcome Peter to make his comments, please. Thank you.
I stand by the existing protocols. I'm Peter Levette, Managing Director of Mutual Property. It's really a privilege for me to be part of this auspicious occasion. First to our partners to be, the NSIA. We really look forward to working with you on this landmark transaction. We are proud to form a JV with the NSIA given its stature in the Nigerian market. We believe that it's Old Mutual Property and the board of Old Mutual that we build a trust relationship with the NSIA, including a line investment philosophy and outlook, and that bodes very well for relations going forward with successful venture. Old Mutual Group is focused on Nigeria as a key market to grow and develop financial services, and as you know, we've established presence here. Old Mutual Property is also focused on expanding its portfolio capability in Nigeria. As you know, Nigeria is an attractive investment destination for commercial property, and we can make a big impact here. For those who don't know Old Mutual Property in South Africa, we manage over $1.5 billion in commercial property. We have built and designed and developed many of the leading landmark properties in South Africa, including developing two of the top 3 largest retail centres in South Africa, the tallest office building in Cape Town, and being a leading developer and owner of many of the logistics parks. We also just completed the acquisition of 50% stake in the largest shopping centre outside of South Africa, the Two Rivers Shopping Centre in Nairobi. We have a dedicated Africa team of 3 investment professionals backed by the broader investment team based in Cape Town. They've spent over 20 visits here to Nigeria, worked over the last 3 years, and have built good relations with the property market and have an excellent relationship within our NSIA team. Our team is headed by Nick Auchin, who himself has 35 years of property experience, and really we believe we put the best people onto this project because that's how important it is to us. We will bring our collective knowledge and experience of our team to this partnership in the Nigerian market. I'd like to thank Uche, Aminu, Richard, and the rest of the NSIA team, as well as my team back could be here, Nicholas, Phil, Lanston, and the various legal advisor Toshas for bringing us to this point over after 2 years. I'd also like to take this opportunity to thank Guy Radley and Hal and our colleagues in Nigeria and the rest of the Old Mutual team back home that have really been failing support throughout. In conclusion, I'd like to thank everyone again for getting us to where we are today. As the Minister said, the hard work really starts now, and we're looking forward to it.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Duncan.
It's existing protocol. I'm Duncan Fink. I'm one of the managing directors of UFF African Agri Investments. And on behalf of the UFF, I would like to thank the NSIA for hosting this special occasion. The agricultural part of this event is a culmination of a process of slightly over a year of engagements to establish a partnership with the NSIA to invest into Nigerian agriculture. UFF is part of the Old Mutual Group and has been at the forefront of creating conduits for institutional investments into the agricultural industry on the African continent. To give you some background on our activities, we've been doing this since 2010 for South African institutional investors, since 2013 for Swaziland pension funds, and since 2015 with our Pan-African Fund. Over the past 6 years, we've built up a portfolio of just over $200 million of investments in primary agriculture, and we continue to grow. We consider the Nigerian agriculture sector to be a great opportunity for investment, particularly for investment into production for the local market due to the large import component of the current country's food basket. The government's strategy to diversify its economy away from traditional industries create ample opportunity for the agricultural sector to fill this void. We are very excited to embark on this venture of establishing a dedicated Nigerian agricultural fund together with a trusted and sound institution like the NSIA. The excitement within NSIA and the fund has been very inspiring, and it was also with great pleasure to see that this week we managed to limit the discussions on the final bits and pieces of our contracts to one day, and we were already able to do a farm visit yesterday. As this is where we feel most at home. Assess live opportunities and blend local farmers' knowledge with our international experience. This combined with the deep local knowledge of the NSIA and strong investment credential, we feel this as a winning combination. I can also speak on behalf of the NSIA team members that it was great to have first slip down a sandbank yesterday into Nigerian River to look at the potential dam structures for this farm. The first local mud on the chute, so to say. I would like to thank the whole team of NSIA again for working expeditiously towards this event. We really look forward to growing this fund together with our partners, the NSIA, and make it a fruitful venture.
Thank you so much. All right. Titi.
I stand on existing field calls. Good morning, everyone. I will be taking us through the agreement signing process. We will be signing two agreements this morning, one for the real estate agreement and the other one for the agriculture vehicle. The first one we are going to sign is the real estate vehicle. We will sign for both the investment company and the management company. I will call out the order in which we will come and we will sit and the documents will be brought in for signing, and thereafter the next steps until we finish the process. So I'd like to invite Mrs. Stella Ojekwe Onyejili of the NSIA, Mr. Uche Oji, and Mr. Peter Levitt of the Old Mutual Property Limited to please. So we'll have Stella, Uche, and Peter. Please, review documents. So this is the signing of the agreement for the real estate investment company. Please sit. Yes, sign the second step.
Told you. You should hold the documents. Thank you so much. This is
Yes, real estate, yes, the agri.
maybe change your background.
For the agriculture investment agreement, I will also invite Mr. Anspeter, and Ms. Radley. Mr. Anne Radley. So this is the signing of the investment company agreement. For the agriculture vehicle. And the last agreement on agriculture, which will be for the management agreement. And I invite we'll have two more speeches before one more speech rather, and then go to thanks and the general photography for all of us, and then we go for the press session downstairs. Honorable Ibrahim,
Chairman.
Good morning, everybody. Permit me also to stand on the forum. Let me also start by congratulating the two partners, Nigerian Sovereign Investment Authority and the Mutual Investment Group, for the successful signing of this agreement today. These two agreements focuses on two sectors of the economy, the real sector of the economy and agricultural sector of the economy. And we believe this will lead to diversify the economy in line with government agenda, to also offer opportunities for the foreign investors, to also look at other opportunities by being present in Nigeria today. This is why we believe that the injection of these funds, like the $500 million for real estate and $200 million for agriculture, will help to stimulate the economy and also position it for recovery and growth. We at the House of Representatives look forward to more of this kind of arrangements, and we as Nigerians must be committed to building our economy. It is also commendable that the NSIA has facilitated the establishment of these funds. We believe this is a bold step forward towards engineering our economy, and we hope there will be more of it, because the MD has already said they are focusing on 5 areas. Now we are only in real estate and agriculture. There is still the solid minerals angle, the power angle, and also the health angle. So I believe the foreign investors can also look at the possibilities of also looking at other sectors of the economy. We are committed to playing our role in ensuring that we are our role in ensuring